Hello boys and girls, this is Earth Science 4020. My name is Mrs. Burge and this is a course overview video. In this video I'm going to show you how to navigate our page using Schoology, and we will review a few things that you may need as you get started in this course. So first, once you log on to Schoology.com and you use our access code to join, you're going to see a page that looks just like this. Right, you see several folders here, but the first folder says Start Here. Obviously, that's where you're going to start. Once you click that folder, it will show you this video. And in this video, it's going to explain a few things like our syllabus and how to navigate our other folders in the course. All right, so once you have watched this video, the next thing you want to do is take a look at the syllabus folder. The syllabus folder has information about our tentative schedule and our course syllabus. Tentative does mean that our course schedule is subject to change. So once we click on this folder, you can see through the drop-down that there are 3 files. We have our syllabus, our weekly instructional plan, and our assignment calendar. Let's take a look at our syllabus. Alright, now you can see that by clicking on that file, you can see the syllabus. You can either scroll through it this way or you can download it or print it. I recommend that you both download and print this file. This is very useful for you and your parents if you need to contact me. So the very first thing you see is Miss Burge. You can find me in room 7 if we have a meeting. You can also see my phone number, my email address, the Schoology page site, and you can see my office hours. Now, these are only by arrangement. I'm in the office from 3 to 4 p.m., or if we need to schedule a meeting, we can. So if you keep scrolling through your syllabus, you can see that there's a welcome message and a general overview. We'll look at those things together, and on your own, you're going to look at the syllabus and read the rest in its entirety. Welcome to Earth Science. This course involves the study of the world around us. Through hands-on experimentation, direct instruction, and course readings, we will explore several topics. Topics include, but are not limited to, geology, astrology, and meteorology, as they all represent a large part of Earth Science. These smaller branches of science interact greatly with Earth Sciences. Our hands-on experiences will enable you to learn the how and why of the way our world works. We will also discover the relevance of science in our daily lives. So that gives you an idea of what type of things we'll be learning. As you can see, Earth Science is going to be tied to many other sciences, and they're kind of intertwined with each other. So it helps to understand other branches of science as well. All right, so what can you expect in this course? This is a 5-week hybrid course, meaning we will have some class meetings, but the majority of the course information will be presented online. That means you must have a lot of discipline. Our class will meet face-to-face on Fridays at 2 p.m. You will submit coursework for each module by the assigned due dates on the course schedule. During class meetings, students will discuss information from assigned readings and participate in a variety of hands-on activities to aid in your understanding of the essentials of science. Between course readings, assignments, projects, and class meetings, you can expect to dedicate 4 to 5 hours per week on this course. That's about 1 hour a day. All right, so if we keep scrolling through our syllabus, you'll see that I've listed here the materials you'll need. Of course, you'll need your textbook. Your student textbook by Hardcore Science is going to be basically where you get most of your readings from, but there are also additional web resources that I've included on the Schoology website. You're also going to need a computer with high-speed internet access, and when you have class meetings, I'll need you to bring your composition book and your science binder, along with paper and pencil. Now, at times we'll need different materials for labs, but I will usually send out a reminder of what those things are. In general, you'll probably need a calculator, colored pencils, scissors, and a ruler. Those are the basics. Everything else will be more or less provided. Also in our syllabus, you see the Code of Conduct, Behaviors and Consequences, our Attendance and Tardy Policy, the Assignment Policy for Makeup and Late Assignments. You also see the Grading Policy, so this lets you know where you stand. Also on here, there's information about how to get extra help. in the course. And our course outline, it tells you each week what we are focusing on in the course. You can see weeks 1 through 5. And there's also a netiquette section. Since some of this course is offered online, it's very important that we talk about the guidelines of online, etiquette, which we call netiquette. All right, so after you've read your syllabus, you want to go ahead and look at some other files in the syllabus folder that are also important. Our weekly instructional plan is going to detail each week of instruction. It lets you know what the learning objectives are, how I'm going to assess you on those objectives, our instructional activities, materials needed, and technologies that I will use to support that week's instruction. There's also information about student support and accessibility for students with disabilities or special needs. So if you just scroll through here, you can see each week is outlined. This is another important one. Parents, you may want to print this. Students will keep this in their folders just to stay abreast of what's going on week to week. All right, again, we're going to go to the syllabus folder and we're going to look at our last important file in this folder. It's our assignment calendar. Now, if we were in class, you would have to write your assignments every day in your assignment book. The great thing about doing this online is that this is your assignment book already filled out. On your assignment calendar, I've listed all the important dates and assignments and when they are due. So if you look at week to week, I tell you what the topic is for the week on Monday. And if we keep looking at Mondays going down, you will always have a discussion post on Mondays. I've posted a different question for each week, which you will answer before your reading. Now, on Fridays, we will discuss your answers and we will tweak it and we will add what we know to what we thought we knew. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I'm giving you time to get your course readings done. You also have a little time on Thursday to get your course readings done as well. So that's 3 days you have to get your course readings done from the textbook. And you will also read the online resources that I post on Schoology. That serves as additional information. Now on Thursdays, you're going to see where it says reading review questions. At the end of each section of your textbook, you're going to have reading review questions that you will answer. You will use your science journal or your composition notebook to answer these questions. They will also be up for discussion and a part of your grade. Now on Fridays, Friday is our class meeting day. So on Fridays, you can see different exercises and hands-on activities that I have planned for you. There's also a big reminder here in bold that those are class meeting days. It also lets you know what projects are due and things of that nature. So this is a great file for you to save and print because it outlines the entire course. All right, going back out to our course, we've looked at the 3 main components that are important for you as you get started, but now we're going to take a look at instructional content and our student support folder. In the instructional content folder, you're going to find the course modules and the associated assignments. We'll just take a quick peek here, and I'll do a more detailed video soon. So in this first folder, you can see the course objectives. These are the 4th grade science learning objectives set apart by Elmore County. And there is also a link to the Alabama Course of Study Standards. And this drives our instruction. You can see the first module that I'm going to demonstrate to you here. I'm going to show you how to navigate this module in the next video. And there's another folder called Additional Resources. With this folder, I have helpful websites that you can use with each module. There's one for space, landforms, the water cycle, and weather. And you can simply click on these links just like this. And it's going to take you to the website, which will also give you important information. Let's click that again. All right, here is NASA Space Place. When we get to our unit about space, this is a very useful website. It has activities and it's organized by topic. And it also has supplemental reading on the website as well. All right, back to our class. Once you look at instructional content, again, that's going to outline everything I need you to know in the modules. And you also have a student support folder. Student support is something that I created so that I can help you if you don't understand something. There's websites here that will hopefully guide you and help you if you don't understand a topic that we're discussing for the week. Again, you can also contact me using my information on the syllabus. That's about it. I'm looking forward to this course with you and learning lots and lots about earth science. Have a great day.